Hello friends, welcome all of you to this short session of CSAT learning where we will be learning with unit digit calculation. So the last few years you must have seen that in UPSC there are many questions where they are asking you to find the unit digit of a complex mathematical expression that they have given you. It may be like a number raised to a power of another number, and like that there can be different sums that they may give you and ask you unit digit calculation. Actually this is one of the easiest question that you can find in a CSAT paper, also visibly and otherwise. See, the main trick of CSAT is finding easiest question in the first 15 to 20 minutes when you go for the mathematics section, because these days they are asking very lengthy and very difficult questions mixed with these easy questions. So in CSAT, if you see here, in CSAT actually you have to guess. If I just brief the pattern of CSAT, you have to get 66 qualifying marks, and for 66 marks, I don't know how many of you are aware, you need only 28 net correct questions. That means even if you have 28 net correct questions, you will be passing in CSAT, because each question is of 2.5 marks. So 28 into 2.5 if you do, you will, even 27 will do. I think if you solve 27 questions, this will be 2754, this will be 67.5. so 27 net correct questions will also do, not less. And for 27 net correct questions, even if you have solved with confidence 30 to 35 questions, you are going to pass. The only thing is you need to solve these many questions with confidence. Now you see, there are already 27 comprehension questions, of which more than 20 you must be, or you should be getting correct, at least 20 questions. Now you just need, in case your mathematics part is bigger, then only you need this. Otherwise you can solve more maths question. But in case your mathematics part is weaker, you just need 7 to 10 questions from the mathematics side to come to your side, and then you can easily pass the CSAT. Now if these few questions are required, if only 7 to 10 questions are required from maths, and you can get 15, if not 20, 15 to 20 questions correct from the comprehension part, then what is the problem? So the problem is finding these 7 to 10 questions. They have not given you the easy questions on one side. The finding easy questions is the most easy maths question rather. Finding maths easy questions is the most challenging, and I would say most smart way of going about clearing the minimum cutoff of CSAT. This 66 marks, if you just find these easy questions in the maths part, I think this will be good enough for you. So this initial 5-10 minutes I took just to brief you the pattern of this CSAT paper and what all you need to do for passing this paper. Okay, now we shall get back to our topic. Now why I was saying this, because this unit digit questions are very easy to spot. So they will be of a manner, you will mostly find these questions in a manner like, excuse me for this disturbance. Yeah, so mostly these questions are like, what will be the unit digit? Now what will be the unit digit, like this. Now see, as soon as you see this question, you can easily spot that I have found a easy question. Now how to go about this, I just have to explain you. So we will start from the beginning. how to solve these questions. Now let's see. Suppose the first thing you need to know, the first rule you need to know in this unit digit calculation, I would say the first rule is unit digit depends. So unit digit depends only on unit digit. Now what does this mean? Now let us understand first what does this mean. This means, suppose I have given you this calculation 378 into 256 into 342 into 641. Now I have asked you to find the unit digit for this. Now if you are asked to find the unit digit of this complex expression, let me tell you, it will not depend on anything else but the unit digit of all these numbers, which is 8, 6, 2, 1. Are you getting? You can just remove all other numbers when you are asked to find unit digit like this. So what you can do, 8 into 6 into 2 into 4, the unit digit will be same in this case and this case. This is a very important rule when you are finding unit digit. Unit digit does not depend on these digits, so you can just remove those digits and you can do your calculation based on the unit digits. Now how will we proceed? We will again multiply these 4, 8, 6, 48 and 2 into 1 is 2. Now again we don't need to do this multiplication, we can cut this and we will take only unit digit into account, and 8 into 2 is equals to 16, and we can see that unit digit of this number is 6, and hence we can say that unit digit of even this number will be 6. Are you getting? Now this is a very important rule which applies to any kind of complex expression. It is not the case. Let's see. Now it is not the case only for this question, rather even if there are different expressions, suppose the expression is like 348 into plus 249 into 467, still you can apply the unit digit will be 8 plus 9 into 7. What I have done, I have removed these other digits apart from the unit digit. The only care that you need to take is you need to still follow the BODMAS rule. Suppose this multiplication has to be implemented first, so it will be done in the same manner in this case also, and then you can proceed. So what it will be, 9, 7 is 63, so it will be 8 plus 63. Now again you can remove this digit and you can directly say that the unit digit of this expression will be nothing else but 1, which comes after adding 8 and 3, which is 11. Are you getting? So this is the rule which I was talking. Now this rule, unit digit depends on the unit digit in an expression. This will be followed largely everywhere, but the only care you need is how are you applying this rule. In 2 examples I have shown you, in many other examples you can see. Now see, for one thing, suppose you have given a big expression 6842 into 65320. Now what will happen? You don't have to multiply these two numbers, you will remove all other digits, and 2 into 0 is 0. So what do you understand? That if any of the numbers in multiplication, if there is a series of numbers which are in multiplication and any of the unit digit is 0, you can directly confer that the unit digit of the final product will also be equals to 0. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Now see how we will be proceeding. So this is for basic expressions which are of the form in multiplication, addition or subtraction. Are you getting? This rule, the rule 1 which I taught you, is for basic expressions of multiplication, division, This is not extending to the power cases. Suppose they have asked you 3 to the power 41, what will be the unit digit? I will be teaching you. But this rule you still need to know. It's a very important rule. Now we will proceeding to the cases of power. This was for basic maths, basic expressions. Okay. Now we shall proceed. Let us keep it aside. Now for powers we will see how we can do. See, for doing it with power, suppose this is the number that they have given you, 3 to the power 41. What will be the unit digit? Now you will have to notice something. When you raise a number with any power, suppose 3 is raised with power 41. What does this mean? This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 like this. And now you see, you can very easily see that it means nothing else but 3 is multiplied 41 times. Okay, so this is like 3 is multiplied 41 times. But you will also have to see that what happens when 3 is successively multiplied. So suppose 3 is multiplied 2 times, that means, so suppose initially it is 3, then it is 3 into 3 is equals to 9, 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. Now if you multiply it 4 times, you will see it is equals to 81. Okay, now what happens? If you do it 4 times, suppose you do 3 to the power 5, that will be 81 into 3, and that will be equals to 243. Now you see, initially the unit digit was 3, then power 2 when you did, unit digit was 9, power 3 when you did, unit digit was 7, power 4 unit digit was 1, and again when you do power 5 the unit digit is 3. What does that mean? That means that unit digit in the power of 3's is repeating after 4. So initially it is 3, then it is 9, then it is 7, then it is 1. Now if you multiply 1 with 3, obviously it will again be 3. Now if you multiply 3 with 3, this will be 9, so 7. So this pattern will keep repeating, 3, 9, 7, 1. For the powers of 3, the unit digit will keep repeating like this. Unit digit will keep repeating like this. For the powers of 3, unit digit will keep repeating like this. 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. So now what we will do? Suppose we have been given to find the unit digit of this number 3 to the power 41. We will try to find out how many periods of this 4 block are there in this power. So after 4 this is repeating, after 4 the unit digit is repeating. So in 41 how many 4's are contained? How will you find out? So if I have to find out how many there is one extra power, that means 41 power, 3 to the power 41 power means 41. If you can write also like this, 4 into 10 plus 1. Now what is this 1? Remainder. So that means these are the complete sets of 4. So when there is a complete set of 4, that means the first will be 3, second will be 9, then will be 7, fourth will be 1. Now whatever you get as a remainder, you can memorize this. Just divide the power. Suppose 3 to the power 41 you have got. Divide the power with 4. 41 is divided with 4. Now you get one remainder. The one, if you get remainder 1, this will be the unit digit. If you get remainder 2, this will be the unit digit. If you get remainder 3, this will be the unit digit. If you get remainder 0, this will be the remainder. This will be the unit digit. Have you got? Now let us see. We will try to calculate. We will try to calculate. Do this in the same, in a different question. Suppose we have got this question of 3 to the power 87. What will be the remainder? Now how will we do? I am just giving you an example. 3 to the power 87. What we will do? We will divide 87 with 4. Now what is the remainder? You can calculate that the remainder is 3. Now I already told you that if the remainder is 3, you will do like this: 3971. This was the repeating palette. So if the remainder is 3, this will be the unit digit. That means the unit digit is 7. Is it easy? Now same thing happens for the series of 2. Same thing happens for the series of 2, which is like 2 to the power 43. What is the remainder? Now if you see, powers of 2 have repeating unit digits in a manner. 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, and again 2 to the power 5 is 32. Again it is repeating. So the repeating units are 2486, 2486, 2486. Now same thing will happen. In the case of 3, this was the repeating unit. In the case of 2, this is the repeating unit, 2486. Now if you have to find the unit digit of this number, again you will divide the power. The simple way out is dividing the power with 4. ये जितने में repeat हो रहा हो, the units, suppose this is a repeating unit of 4, so you will dividing it with 4. So if you divide it with 4, the remainder is 3. Now if the remainder is 3, you know what will be your answer. It will be 8. So unit digit in this case will be 8. You can do so for other different cases. Suppose you have 2 to the power 1026. Now this might seem to you a difficult question. This kind of questions they ask in exam. Now what will be the answer? Very easy. You will divide the power with 4. 026 divided by 4. Now what will be the remainder? You will try to divide it 2 times 2, 2, again 2, 2, 6, again 2. So basically 2 is the remainder. Remainder is 2. Now I already told you, write the palette 2486. If the remainder is 2, you already know what is the answer. This one is the answer. So in this case, the unit digit will be 4. Now these are the explanations of. So basically, what is the rule for this case? Suppose there is any number. This can be done for even this number, 7 to the power 61. Any. You first find the repeating units of 7. So 7 power 1 is 7. 7 power 2 unit digit will be 9, 49. 7 power 3 unit digit will be 9 7 ja 3. 7 power 4 unit digit will be 1. So in case of 7, these are the repeating units. It repeats in 4 only. So again you will divide the power 61 with 4. You will get the remainder 1. Now if the remainder is 1, this will be the answer. That means the unit digit is 7 itself. Now I have explained for any kind of x to the power y, how do you find the remainder? What you do? you first try to find the unit digit repetition of x. X to the power 1, what is the x to the power 2, x to the power 3, x to the power 4. Now if you have found this unit, you divide y by 4, whatever is the remainder. Suppose remainder is 2, you choose this one. Remainder is 1, you choose this one. Remainder is 3, you choose this one. Very simple. Have you got it? Now in the next part, this is part 1 for unit digit calculation. In the next part, we will be seeing some PYQs of UPSC CSAT, and we will try to see how difficult questions can be solved most easily. We will be also seeing unit digit calculation in case of some difficult cases. Thank you for watching this video.